Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike with Micro Outdoors, and today we're going to take the Rvlock keyless handles, and this is actually going to be for the left side here because I'm adding it onto the hiker trailer on the back galley door as well as the driver's side door of the hiker. I've already swapped off the passenger side, and that is going to be a right-handed latch, and so the hiker will take, if you're going to do all three, it will be one right-handed and two left-handed locks. So do apologize in advance. I'm going to take this in one continuous shot, so bear with me and let's get to it. So as you can see, it's got the standard lock and nothing special here, and the process is actually super easy. All we're going to be doing is removing these 4 screws, and this assembly will come out and the new one will go right back in, and those 4 screws will tighten right back up and you will have it installed. And this is the one I installed on the passenger side of the hiker, and it works really well, and you can get these all keyed alike, so that's what the finished product will be looking like. Alright, like I said, the first process is remove those 4 screws. With that, the back plate comes off. And that's what it looks like from the inside. And then to remove it is a simple little pull. You gotta break that little seal there. And this whole piece will slide out. I did forget, you do need to remove these 2 screws right here as well. And now it comes. That's all there is to that. So again, this piece will slide into the back. You have a wire connection here. So when this piece goes onto the other side, it will clip in. And this piece will bolt down to that. And you will have a complete lock. It really is that easy, and it's taken me all of about 10 minutes to do. A little bit longer since I'm filming, but let me get this installed. Alright, once you get the strike plate installed, what you're going to want to do, that's what I use to hold sea sucker, is make sure that the strike plate lines up with the door jamb and closes, and it does. That being said, we are all good to install the back plate. I'm even using the same hardware from the previous handle, so no need to even swap out the hardware. And with that, guys, it is done. All right, let's give it a shot. Boom. Lock complete, all in about 10 minutes. To set the code, and it has a key fob. You can follow the directions included. Other than that, I'm fixing to do the driver's side. Thanks for watching, guys.